Hey everyone, it's Andrew and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through this dope minimalist setup. I'll be going through the wallpaper I'm using, custom icon pack and widgets, and guide you through how you can set this up on your own. I'm currently running iOS 18 on this device, so make sure to download it whenever it's available for you. All the links for this video will be in the video's description. There's two apps that you'll need: the Shortcuts app made by Apple and the Widget app that is found on the App Store. First thing we have to do is remove all the apps, long press your home screen, and delete all the apps. It might take a little bit of time because you have to do it individually, but go ahead and remove the widgets as well. The first thing we have to do is set up our wallpaper. So I'm using a wallpaper from my wallpaper pack called Vivid. It's got 20 clean 4K wallpapers. So I have it saved in my photo. If I hit the send button and scroll down to use as wallpaper, it's going to pop up on my lock screen. I do like to change the font to all white. And then I'm going to tap add. Also for the home screen, I like to keep it blurred. So if you want to set that, you can, and then you're done with the wallpaper. I do have a video on where to get free wallpapers if you don't want to purchase my pack. It does help me out, but I understand if you don't want to spend the money. I'll go ahead and link that video at the end of this video so you can watch it next. For the app icons and widgets, I am using a pack called Dark Vision App Icons by Loki. It starts at $12 and it has 3 different tiers. I have the unlimited tier, which gives me access to updates, and I can make requests if I want an icon added that isn't currently in the pack. I personally feel this is the best one that you can buy. All right, so first what we're gonna do is add our widget into Widget, and adding it to the home screen. The pack has a ton of widgets in all sizes. For this pack, I am using the medium greetings widget. Once you have Widget downloaded and you have the pack, open up Widget and choose import. Then select import widget file from files. Select your widget and tap open. Then hit the back arrow. Also really quick, you do have to go out of Widget, long press the home screen, slide to the right, and take a screenshot of the wallpaper. Then if you go back into Widget, go to Manage tab and select the widget size that you want. This is where you'll see large, medium, and smaller widget slots. Select the medium slot and choose your imported widget. Tap Add Wallpaper, select your wallpaper, then select the check mark at the top right. Select the area that you want your widget to be. I like to keep mine on the top. Now you'll go back to your blank home screen, tap on edit, then add widget, find Widget, and select your medium widget by tapping on the widget, and now it's on your home screen. One last thing, if you're on iOS 18, tap on edit, then customize, and you'll have the option to make them large. So go ahead and tap on that. This removes the app name so Widget doesn't show. In order to add custom icons, you still need to have the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, you won't be able to do the next part. Now that you have Shortcuts downloaded, open up Shortcuts and then tap the plus icon. After that, you'll get this screen and get some actions, and we're going to select Open App. Then we'll select the app we want this icon to open. And whenever we tap on it, the screen is going to open up whichever one we select. Then you're going to click the little drop down arrow and tap on the Add to Home Screen option. Then you'll select the first icon circle where we're going to choose the place where we save the icons. I'm going to select Choose Photos because I saved it there. One thing I like to do is remove the app names. So if you're looking for a cleaner home screen, you can go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to find the icon that I want to add for this shortcut. And that's the first icon for this setup. You'll have to repeat those steps for each icon that you want to add. And since this is a more minimalist setup for me, I like to keep my home screen with less apps. So there's like only 12 on here. And because in iOS 18, you can move around your apps wherever you want, you can add a nice little bit of personalization for this. And now you have your iPhone set up just like mine. I will be doing a full guide of iOS 18 customization, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel for that. But that's it. As always, guys, thanks for watching. God bless, and I will see you on the next video.